Lowry trying to center. Back in the middle, shot, score! Sean Collins. And the Big Red, just like that, taking advantage of a breakdown by Colgate and able to finally get through for a quality scoring chance, and Collins buries it.
Well, Don Vaughn had his top group out there, Wagner, Smith. And there's a great play by Collins going far side on Alex Even.
Miller lost the handle of it, gets it back, floats it down low, deflected into the corner. Cornell again having trouble getting free for clear shots on net. Slapper here, deflected, save, rebound, score! Finally got one through, and it allowed Mowry to score on the rebound, his 7th of the season, and the Big Red lead it 2-0.
Well, that puck was bouncing all over the place, and even as he was shooting it, it was bouncing, and great job by Mowry to pick up that rebound. Take a look at it here. There it is right there, quick stick. Unfortunately, Matt Furman in the slot with Mowry. Look at this puck bouncing just before he shoots it here. It's wobbling all over the place.
Finally found a shooting lane there. Weekend. McCarron skates up the right wing with it, now looking to float it in front, bounces away. Backhander, though, just goes wide as deflected to Greg Miller, who was able to get a shot off. Stolen in front, all alone, McCarron moves it, backhander, scores! And Cornell takes advantage of a giveaway. That's like what happened yesterday with Colgate.
No question, it just gets to be a point in the game where they just start handing the puck to the opposition, and like good teams will do, good players will do, when you hand them an opportunity, they're going to capitalize on it. Take a look, here's Price. There's no way he should be going up the middle of the ice there.
No, he could have just kept trying to skate up with it, fending off the back checker there, but he just gave it away. Clear intercepted pass by McCarron. Whoa! Now that, on the other hand, was not what you'd want, as Madison Diaz goes for a shot. Cornell's got to be careful here. Don't do anything that's going to cost them in the future. Sean Furman just laid out Madison Diaz as he was shooting as the buzzer sounded, and that is the exact opposite of what Austin Smith just did on the other end. Now again, Cornell has got to be careful here as far as they have games to play, at least one, and do not want anyone to get DQ'd going forward.
Well, another guy out there, McPherson's got to smarten up. Like, I mean, he's doing the same thing that Furman's doing, and that's not something you want at the end of the hockey game here.
That's right. Seniors Matt Furman and Corbin McPherson have nothing to lose. Let's see here as Diaz just a last-second shot, and oh man, Furman came in with the shoulder to the head. That is just completely uncalled for. Knowing it's his last game, not a way you want to go out.
Not at all.
But
actually, it's unfortunate to see. I mean, that's a tough situation there for Diaz. And there's really no ramifications you have against a player that's on his way out. Yeah, he's going to get a 5, and but I mean, you know, McPherson, same thing. They're out there really stirring it up. But as I was saying, with regards to just for the folks at home, Austin Smith was only 2 goals away from tying my single season record at 38 and 3 away from breaking it, and I would have not rather see anybody do it than him. So it's something that's lasted for 30 years. He came close, and every time I saw him, I said, hey, I wish you the best, man. Go get it. Go get it. We're trying to give him some motivation.
Well, for what it's worth, my partner this weekend will hold on to that record for a little longer. A lot of good players have come through Colgate in the last 30 years. It's tougher to do these days, scoring that many goals. You know, it's a lot different game, I think, than it was. Not to take anything away from it.
Right. Well, I think too that well, you know, that could be flipped around as well, because in my opinion, the league was a lot better back then.
True.
You had Northeastern in there. You had BC. You had BU, Maine. I mean,
yeah, no doubt.
And you had some pretty good players in those days as well.